Hey everyone, back again for an short update on the MadGaze smartwatch with gesture controls. Well, the first thing is the battery is nothing what they said it was. It's supposed to last for a day or so, and then they say you're supposed to knock down the applications you're using and everything and clean it and put it on do not disturb and everything else like that to try to limit the battery. And it doesn't matter what you do, the thing just drains really, really fast. You can drain this battery not using it at all within under half a day, just checking your time and whatnot. Most of the things do work that they say do work. The gesture controls at the moment, I tried to hook it up to my phone a little bit ago and it would no longer connect into their smartwatch connecting app. And on another phone, it wouldn't even go into their fitness app. It just, you're supposed to scan a QR code on your phone, which is up in here. You're supposed to scan that, and I scan it, and it sits there, goes around on their app, and then it says connection failed. When I first had it, a few months back, it did connect, but it doesn't seem to connect anymore. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I currently have a SIM card in the back here, and it does make phone calls and it does do texting. I haven't been able to test it on their IoT remote because I don't have a smart TV or anything like that. So I can't really do that. The walkie-talkie is just an app within the phone that you put, or within your phone and on the smartwatch that just texts like an app. You can put this app on two different phones and walkie-talkie between themselves. So this technically really doesn't even have a walkie-talkie. It's just an app that's used as a walkie-talkie. So big unfortunate there. Another thing is this phone is not, or phone, well, I guess it is a phone and it's a smartwatch, but it's not optimized for any kind of Android apps, really. Like they say you can use most Android apps, and most popular one I use for shipping purposes is deliveries. And you go on there and the app itself is still optimized for a phone. So you can't even see half of the menu buttons because the menu is over here on this app. And there's supposed to be a 3-bar thing up there, and there's not because you can't see it because it's still optimized for a phone, not a round smartwatch. So click on here to add a package. And then the done button is up in the corner here. Actually, I'll show you the real app. There's the same page. So there's no possible way I can save anything on this watch, on this app, because all the buttons are out of the way. It's impossible. So like, and almost every single app is like that. YouTube is like that. Facebook and everything else is like that. It's all square when it should be round on a round phone. I haven't actually used any music or anything on it, but I know one thing is you can use external earbuds with this. So you can just take it around, you can put some music on it, and you can take it with you and use external earbuds to connect to its Bluetooth, which is kind of handy. Other than that, I really don't see using it too often because it just doesn't, the batteries just don't last. It drains super fast. What else can I say? We'll go check out the heart rate sensor, but I know most people have said that it's not quite accurate compared to other heart rate sensors on other smartwatches. It's not real time. You have to press it every time you want to actually read your heart rate, which is extremely unfortunate. Let's see if they changed anything. I doubt it. It's probably just a general YouTube update for a phone. Oh, still all square. It makes it extremely hard to even get into anything on here. Right? Every time I try to swipe, it just goes back onto my phone. Like you can't see your lists or anything. As soon as I swipe for that, yeah, it goes back again. So it's really not very user friendly. Unfortunately, I had high hopes for this. As other things smartwatches do, is just not set up like a smartwatch should be set up. They've just slapped a smartphone's Android system on here, and none of it was optimized for a phone. So yeah, it's very unfortunate. It does make phone calls though. It does do texting very, very, very tediously because of how small and unoptimized all the apps are for this phone or watch. I will pop this on. I can probably do it just like this. See if heart rate sensor. But yeah, you have to go into this thing every single time. It doesn't run on a daily thing or anything. You have to go into it, press it, read it every single time. And it just stays going until you go out of the app, which is really, really not what I was hoping for, and a lot of other people. But yeah, you can do voice recordings, you have picture gallery, music gallery, just like a smartphone. They might as well have made a smartphone instead of a smartwatch, because yeah, that seems to be what they were going for. Anyway, that's pretty much my thoughts on it. I'm not going to really be using it too much. Look, just talking here, it's already down at 21%. Super fast. Like, and I've hardly been doing anything. Yeah, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on because I was trying to hook it up to my phone, but still, I haven't really been using it. It's just been on. It's pretty unfortunate. Nice build. It looks good. And yeah, that's about it, unfortunately. But anyway, that is my little update on the MadGaze smartwatch with gesture controls, which I can't even get into the app now to even check it out and hook them up again, because before I did this review, I had been using it a little bit and it was now sitting back in its case. Took it out, turned it on, and yeah, won't connect. So, and it says I have to redo my gesture controls, so I don't know why that is, since I didn't reset the watch or anything. So, oh well. It's basically just a fancy little digital watch, basically. Yep. Kind of bulky too. Oh well. Maybe better luck next time. But from what I've heard, they've come up short on quite a few of their past projects on their claims of how they were supposed to run and what they were supposed to do. So I'm not extremely surprised. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.